What's going on, guys? It's been a long time, and I shouldn't have left you. At least with not a dope beat to step to. What is up? Yeah, it's been a minute. Dang, dude, it's been really long. It's probably been like what, 8 months since my last video, something like that. And I'm still bad at looking at the camera. I gotta look into the viewfinder. Yeah. Today we got a 4-color front, or 1-color front, 1-color back, and another 1-color front and a 1-color back. I'm gonna print as much as I can. I know I will finish at least one of these, probably the 4-color front, because I'm gonna do that one first since it's the most tedious of the jobs. It's got the most screens, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on that one. I've already printed the positives, so I'm going to get to burning on those screens so I can get to printing on the shirts. All right, that's all the screens. They're drying. The last of them are drying right now in front of the fan. I got the other two I'm gonna go ahead and burn. If you notice, excuse me, yeah, burn. I'm just messing up words. I got the other two I'm gonna go tape. Yeah. But if you notice, I don't high pressure rinse on both sides of my screens. Because when you're burning in the screens, only one side gets exposed with the light. The other side, it gets exposed indirectly, but only one side gets directly exposed. Meaning that, depending on your emulsion, that side not exposed directly will be still soft and it may blow out with the high pressure. So I do low pressure on one side, on both sides, and high pressure only on the side that was exposed by light. Some people do both, but some people just only do one side. That's just the way I do it. It works for me, and it also may depend on the emulsion you're using as well. I also feel like not just blowing out emulsion, it also keeps my edges crisp on any of my designs that I'm burning. That's just my tidbit. Okay, I've got all of the screens burned, rinsed, dried, and taped. Even the other two jobs that we said I told you about. I'm gonna do those whenever I get to them. Looking at the time, because it's already about 3:40 p.m. I'm not gonna be able to do those today, but I will get these 4-color fronts out the way. They're white shirts. It's gonna be a quick hit. But I'm gonna go back and get the shirts ready for printing, lay them out, set the screens up, and turn on the dryers. Okay, it's day 2. Like I said, we didn't finish all the jobs yesterday, but we're about to knock out the last of the jobs. The shirts are sorted. The shirts are sorted. The press is set up, and the dryers are warm. Might as well go and get to it. And there we have it. The shirts, like mine, a day in the life, I guess. But that's how we pretty much run jobs through here. We skipped a few steps that I thought were less interesting, but we pretty much, that's how we do things. Also, like us, share, subscribe, what else? Follow. Click the notification bell on YouTube, LinkedIn and Facebook. Follow us. Whatever. Do it. If you guys need quotes for shirts, feel free to hit us up on shirtslikemine.com. Fill out that quote request form and a price. It will magically appear to you in form of email. Thanks, guys. Take it easy. Oh, yeah, I forgot to mention. Within our video, I said a quote from a song by a certain artist. If you can send me the song, the artist, and the year it was released, I'm going to send the first 2 people a t-shirt or something here. I mean, we've got some freakers. We got a lot of stuff in here that we're getting ready to put on in our retail section of the shop, as well as our online stores. Let me know those things, the song, the artist, and the year it was released, and you may win if you're the first 2. As a matter of fact, first male, first female. First one of each gets the prize if their answer is correct.